Carmen here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to add thread to a bobbin of the Singer 5511 sewing machine. So let's go ahead and add our thread and let's get started. First thing you'll need is an empty bobbin here, and you may need a pair of scissors. So let's go. You'll need a spool of thread, as well as, let's put our bobbin in on the bobbin winder here. Smush it down. And then we'll take our thread, follow the guide, wrap the thread through the indentions of the silver circle. Okay, just like that. We're going to add thread here. You go from this side. All right, there we go. You see? We put it through the top of the bobbin from the underside, like that. And we put it here. Make sure the thread is straight. I'm gonna cut some of this excess off. Okay, so I have about this much thread here. I'm going to click the bobbin to the right, like that. And clicking that stops the needle from going up and down. So I'm gonna hold this, cut the machine on. After letting the machine run for about 3 seconds, I will take my scissors and cut the thread close to the bobbin wheel. Once it doesn't spin anymore, then we will take our scissors, go ahead and clip this, and check your bobbin to make sure that there are no loops. The thread has gone around the spool evenly. The goal is a clean and neat bobbin threading. Let me give you a quick tip. If you do not want to take these spool thread off, you can put another spool thread here and thread your bobbin without having to undo the top threading of the machine. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to our page, like our videos, hit that notification bell so that you know when new videos are coming out. Leave your video comments, follow us on social media. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.